Rain, rain, please stop. This is from my window in my house. It is massively pouring rain. And so now I'm looking again from my patio. I was just getting ready to go out of the house, go to the office, and I might just rethink that for a little bit. I have a couple of buckets out here and they're all full. And Aubrey, don't say anything. Oh my God. Sun. There's sun in my house coming from the outside. Oh my God, doesn't it look so beautiful to have sun? 7 days of rain. Sun. Sun, it's worth just taking a picture of the sun after 7 days of rain. As you can see, everything is wet, but there's sun. Yay! I could sit out here and just watch this sun and have it hit my face for a good hour.